Hi, I'm Captain Johnathan Hillstrand. You probably know me from Discovery's hit show, The Deadliest Catch. I'm the captain of the Time Bandit. I'm here to tell you about Powtoon, an education tune-up to benefit 500,000 teachers and students across the globe.
Now, for a limited time, use characters from Captain Hillstrand's children's books in your Powtoon presentations, including Little Bird, Joey Krabs, and his ship, the Time Bandit.
If you want to find out more, go to Powtoon.com. That's Powtoon.com. If you want to catch up with my adventures, go to TimeBandit.tv. This is Captain Hillstrand signing off.